Hello everyone. So today we are going to be learning about the Euler's method. Now the aim behind this video is not to actually go into the rigorous definition of the Euler method, but rather get an intuition or a geometric idea about what Euler method actually is. So before starting anything, let us first know what an IVP is. Basically, IVP stands for initial value problem, and it is nothing but a differential equation along with some initial conditions. And the second thing, what is an Euler method? So Euler method is basically a method which helps us approximate solution to any given IVP at any given point using this formula. Now let us actually try to understand what is the intuition behind the Euler matrix. So let us consider a graph or a two-dimensional plane in which the x-axis represents the input of the function x and y-axis represents the output that will be given by the solution, that is y. So now, if we have an IBP, what do we actually have graphically? So the first thing that we have is a point. Let us say the point is x naught comma y naught. And the second thing that we have is the function or the differential equation dy by dx is equal to some function of x comma y. Now, graphically, what does this dy by dx represent? It represents nothing but the slope of the solution curve y at any given point x. Now, let me ask you one question. Can you find the value of y at some point x1 using only these two information? One natural response to this question might be, why don't we draw a straight line passing through the point x naught comma y naught, which has the same slope that we already have, and we take the value of y1 that this straight line gives on the point x1. And to be very honest, if the distance between point x0 and x1 is very small, then the answer might actually be very accurate. Thus, we can find the value of y at any given point x by taking small values of h and doing the same step over and over as many times as we need. So, on this natural instinct or on this natural intuition is only the Euler method based. Now, how do we know that the formula which has been given in the Euler method corresponds to the same thing that we are discussing right now? Basically, it is very easy to see. According to the Euler method, the value at point y1 must be equal to y naught plus h times f. Now, if we look at it on the graph, we have the value of y naught here, and this is the value h times f just by using basic trigonometry. Now, if we just add these two values, we will get the value of y1, and this is the exact formula that we get in the Euler's method. So that concludes my video on the Euler method. I hope that after watching this video, you might have gotten a basic intuition into what Euler method actually is. Do consider sharing this video among your friends so that they also might get a clear understanding about Euler's method. Thank you for sticking with me till the very last of this video, and drop any of your suggestions or feedback in the comment box so that I can make the necessary corrections and adjustments.